Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This is a continuation of the previous video, which got a little bit too long, a little bit out of hand. So let's see how we are able to figure this out. We do have a let me show you over here. We do have a connection through a reverse shell, which is not persistent. So if we lose this connection, we are basically screwed. So what I want to do is I'm probably gonna have to upload a document. So we're going to use a stager. So in the previous video we created this listener. Let's go to info for so it was a 4884. So we executed it. Let's go ahead and execute it again. Okay, so it is running. So the listener is running. That's why they gave me that error. So let's go ahead and go back and let's go ahead and use a stager. And the stager that I want to use is going to be the Windows launcher bat file. And over here, let's go ahead and also, because we created one before, so let's go ahead and go clear this out and go to the sudo. Let's go to sudo I and go ahead to the cd temp directory ls. So let's go ahead and remove that launcher, that bat, clear this out. And what we are going to do is, let's see how we're going to do that. So we are going to just upload that document or that launcher to where we want it, and we are going to be using this listener for this stager. So if we do set listener, you want to set it to this. Let's see if there's anything else we need to do. Basically nothing else. That's cool. Let's go ahead and execute that, and that was saved in the temp directory batch file. So now we need to find a way to upload it over here, and since our Java user is not working, we can just use the evo winrm, and we can use the student 2, and this is for the user, and the password is password 123 I 192.168.1.55. So we are going to upload it to the C. So we are going to say upload temp launcher .bat, and I just want to upload it to the C, and I want to call it launcher that batch file. So now if we do a dir in the C, you cannot see it here. So did I upload it? Launcher, so it wasn't uploaded. It says that it was successfully uploaded, but it's not in here, so they lied to me. Okay, let's go ahead and upload it. Try to upload it to the user. Users, and let's see if we do a dir users. Still not in there. So I was not able to upload it, so I cannot upload it either. Bam, bam, bam. So dir users. What if we just upload it to this? Let's go ahead and upload it over here. See what happens. I'm not sure why it's not uploading. Paste. It has been copied. dir. So now it's in here. Okay, so for some reason I guess I was not able to upload it to the users. I guess because I don't have the permission, probably. But I was able to put in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this location, and let's see if we're able to run it. And there we go. We got a new agent, and this is the name of the agent. So now we can go back, agents, and we have the agent over here as system. Awesome. So let's go ahead and rename this to student admin. I need to rename this guy to student admin. Awesome. So now we can interact with student admin. Who am I? Let's go ahead and see if we can run that task real quick. And there we go. Awesome. So on the next video, we are going to be doing some we are going to establish some persistent and see what we could do with that. So this is it for this video. On the next video, like I just said, we are going to establish some persistent in this Windows server by using Empire again.